All right, deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in. Let's close them out. All right. All right. Listen up, Austin. Remember, only 200. This is our strength.
One stroke, ready, hit.
Focus in, eyes only in this boat. Focus in this boat.
Hit.
Breathe, stay relaxed.
Stay loose.
John, buoy on the right, left.
Buoy on the right. Keep the 3 buoy on your right.
Check, check. Check, hard check.
Take it hold.
All boats, let's bring it up to the start.
On the back. One stroke, ready, hit.
We got it, guys.
Gonna get pushed this way probably, but we'll see.
Trying to keep the body.
Across the back. One stroke, ready, hit.
All guys, let's get it.
Let's go.
Nice and quick.
Nice 200. Nice 200.
Stay loose. Walk it.
All the way through the finish.
Yup. Don't rush your strokes. Remember, let the boat work for you. Let us glide. Feel that glide.
Nice and long. Use those hips to bring yourself to that blade.
Check, easy, easy.
Push around with the wind, so make sure you're on the right side of your lane. So 3 hold, so 4 hold,
check,
so
check.
1 hold, so 1 hold, so 2, tap it up.
Back out, hold stroke. Go.
All right, everybody stand
So
up.
2 hold, all boats hold. We have alignment. Paddlers, are you ready? Attention.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up, up, up. 4, 5, 6, 7, and up, up, up. 4, 5, 6, 7. Reach and 1, 2, 3. Walk it up. Don't give any quarter. Chill the hip.
Eyes up.
Build it, build it, build it. Dig, dig, dig. Hands up, eyes up, finish it now. Build, build, build. Give me all you fucking got. Through the finish. Easy. Woo! Good race, everyone on 3. 1, 2, 3. Good race, everyone. Ah, very good. Very good. Yeah, I was slightly rushed, I was trying to, but I think.
Paddling, comes to the back, ready, go.
Active recovery.
Good job, guys.
No, wait, that was really fucking good, guys.
Okay. Your toes are great.
Easy, 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 easy.
Check.
Check. Wait, that was one. Wait, are we doing it by placements?
Yeah, they're all pretty.
Oh shit. Shit.
That's okay.
Semis are gonna be fun.
Hate it right now.
We were with KG. We were up with KG.
Yeah, that was good. That was fucking good.
So fun.
I know, I like it.